Members, supporters and the general public are free to visit any of the party offices at the county level to sign the condolence book, and in some instances the governor's offices.
News will invest 2.5 billion shillings to boost agricultural funding for small and medium enterprises.
Public viewing from 12 to 5 o'clock. We encourage our members and supporters to head straight to Parliament for this event and to avoid Lee Funeral Parlour, which will have very minimal activity. Our respective parliamentary leaders in the National Assembly and the Senate will coordinate members of the parliamentary group and guide them accordingly on the program of events leading to the final day on Sunday, 19th October 2025. Likewise, majority and minority leaders in the county assemblies will do so at their levels. That the ODM remains united, just like it was during the Right Honourable Raila Amolo Odinga's time. We believe in unity of purpose, a stronger democratic party and a party that must live on for many years to come. With this regard, the NEC has designated the Senator of Siaya County, Honourable Dr. Oburu Odinga, to be the acting party leader until the time that the top party organs will meet and elect a substantive party leader to fit in the big shoes that have been left by our leader. Thank you, and may the soul of our party leader rest in eternal peace.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
So, do you want to say something?